Hey, welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be a special one because I'm going to do now an unboxing video. I never had done something like this before, unboxing, but I ordered a very special thing for myself. If you remember, guys, I visited Porsche Museum a few videos ago. If you haven't seen the video, I put the link below. And there I just fell in love in a very special car, which was the Fat Piggy. And this Le Mans car was really sticked in my mind, and I said, okay, I just love this thing, I really have to have it. I didn't order the Le Mans car, I ordered something even more crazy and more special. I ordered from a company called GT Spirit a model which was basically inspired by the Rauch-Welt. So they made the Le Mans paint on this GT car, and they had a super nice limited edition. Only 500 pieces have been produced, and I ordered one of these. I haven't opened the box yet, so what is this video now about? Opening this. I love the box already, so it's already this cool graphic on it. No idea. So let's see. Yes. Oh, that looks really cool. Has a really nice pillow here, so I just take this out if I can. I try to not break in it, and I think it has this little paper maybe to help to get this out if it's not glued to the bottom, but it does. So I do need my screwdriver to first get it out from the box. So now it's a little bit my MacGyver moment. And now I can take it out. Look at this. Wow, it's very nicely done model. It's really detailed. You can see all the little details around the body. Oh, they even have a German sticker here, look. I just love this. Really nice. And I'm just getting a little bit like, it's not openable, maybe? I don't know. I don't want to break anything. I'm just playing a little bit around. No, you can see they produced only 504 out of these, and this piece here is a 135th one, so it's really limited edition. And because of this, it's also very pricey. The original price is $500, so it's 400 something euros originally. I was very lucky because I had connections, so I got a little bit cheaper. But if you want to have something special like this, sometimes you have to invest a little bit of money, but it's really a unique collectible piece. So, and it's so fine and so nicely detailed. I'm really happy that I can have my little piggy here now on my desk, so it's really worth it. It's not really a toy, you cannot really play with it. You can just put it on a perfect spot and just admire it. The company, or even the guy who established Rauch-Welt, he's Akira Nakai, and he's building by himself this crazy modification of the Porsches. He's doing everything by himself, he's building it and building it, so it's really nice. And in the book they have very nice pictures about this whole project and this whole process of building a new body. So I can recommend also to check the book out. I also gonna put the link under the video. It's a very cool book. This is the homepage of the GT Spirit, and here you can check out how cool models they have. So this is the company who was building this model, and they have very cool stuffs here. They have different kind of brands. different sizes, everything. They have literally very, very cool things here. Even the Audi is here now, the new R8 with my wheels on it. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna order. And very important, they only have limited editions. So that makes it even more special. I hope you like this video, guys, this unboxing video of mine. And I'm going to put all the links below this video about the book, about Rauch-Welt, about the GT Spirit, the models, everything. So you can also order for yourself your own model. And I really hope you like the video. I'm coming back very soon in the next video. And please subscribe for my channel and follow me on Instagram on the Girls Love Cars. Bye!